What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? How you guys doing? Today, we're doing something different. We're not doing a motorcycle video, but we're doing a content creation video. I got my boy Noah here, and we are making an overhead camera rig. I was gonna make another video for a product, and I realized I didn't have a way to film down and get the footage that I needed. So I was looking online, and the prices for an overhead camera rig are just really expensive. And I don't use it enough to justify buying something, $100, $150, $200. So I looked online, I found some instructions on how to make a DIY version. And since I'm only using a GoPro, I figure why not? It's pretty light, I should be able to get it done. And so that's what we're doing. We're doing a little father-son build project thing, which is really for me to use. So with that said, if you need one and you don't want to spend the money, I spent about, you know what, we'll go into that in a minute. Let's get the intro rolling. Yeah.
Mallet. Yeah.
Mallet.
Mr. Mallet.
Mr. Mallet. Yeah. All right, guys. So the total cost of this project for me was about 45 bucks, but you can definitely get it cheaper. It's just me being me. I didn't have any tools to cut the PVC pipe, so I bought one, and then I went with a fancy one, which was like 15 bucks. I needed super glue because I didn't have any, so 5 bucks. And then I bought extra PVC pipes. So the way that it works is to make this whole thing, really all you need is 3 5-foot, 3 1/4 inch PVC pipes. So 3 5-foot, 3 1/4, 3 1/4 PVC pipes. They didn't have 5-foot versions, and then they said if they cut it, I have to buy it. I ended up with more. So I ended up with more than I need, but that's fine. Even 45 bucks is cheaper than 150 or 200 bucks for the ones online, and it gave me some room for mistakes in case we make mistakes, which I tend to do. But the 3 5-foot, 3 1/4 inch pipes worked out. You also need 1 1/2 inch PVC pipe. All right, let's just go through what you'll need and one clean swoop so you have it all up front, and I'll put it all down below. But basically, what you need is going to be 3 3/4 inch PVC pipes, 1 20 inch, which they only had a 24 inch, 1/2 inch PVC pipe. You'll need 8 3/4 inch elbows. You'll need 1 3/4 inch cross, and then you're going to need 2 3/4 inch T's, I guess they're called T's. You show them what T looks like, and then you're also going to need 1 1/2 inch T, which is the smaller one. There you go, the smaller one, and that's all the parts you need. Now, as far as what you need to cut them to, so I just had them cut the 10-foot ones into 2 5-foot ones, which is why I ended up with more. But then once you get home, you'll have to cut. You can have them do this, but the way you need to do it is you actually need to take those 3 5-foot, 3/4 inch pipes, PVC pipes, and you'll need to make 4 24 inch PVC pipes. You'll make 2 12 inch PVC pipes. Then you'll need to make 4 5.5 inch PVC pipes. The remaining left over would be a 38 inch PVC pipe, which you cut in half, and it'll give you 2 19 inch PVC pipes, which is why you only need 3 5-foot, 3/4 inch PVC pipes, and it really gives you everything you need as far as this goes. So, and then the rest is just building it. I did buy some screws. I'm not sure how I'm gonna set this part up. We're gonna see, because I'm really, oh, there we go. So I bought a thumb screw to go in, and then I actually bought this little thing. It's like a little, I don't know what they're called, but yeah, it goes into it, and then you can screw this in. So you'll screw this into the PVC pipe. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do that yet. Basically, you screw this in, and then this screws in. And the whole idea behind this is I could just drill one hole and use this through the PVC pipe and have this thread. But over time, it's gonna wear the PVC pipe, right? And then this isn't gonna work. Whereas I use this, which I'm still not sure I'm gonna do, but if I do this, then you know, it'll never wear the PVC pipe. This will be, you know, maybe with some thread lock or super glue, it'll never move, and then this will always just be used So you'll never have to worry about the PVC pipe getting de-threaded, if that's a thing. So, you ready to build this?
Yeah.
All right, let's build this. I'm gonna put those hinges. So these are gonna go on here like this, like that. So, oh yeah, you squeeze on the side. So then we'll put this on, right there. And then, what is it? What did you call it, Mr. Mallet? Put Mr. Mallet on right here. Right? So he's on good. And then we need to do the same thing on this side. So we'll put a little, now that we know how to use this, put a little left right there. Go ahead and slide him on. Don't get it on your fingers. And let's use Mr. Mallet here. And make sure we're looking the same way, right? Looks even to me. That's one. So put that over there. Next, we'll do this one. And we really got to be careful because I have a bad habit of getting super glue everywhere. My wife doesn't like it. I've done it before. I ruined my sister's tablecloth with it last time. She wasn't very happy. There you go. Mallet. There you go. Make sure we're a little crooked. A little mallet whack. A mallet whack. Dad jokes. Should it? Oh, now I'm getting it on my hands. See, I'm horrible with super glue. Wait a minute. We have 4. Oh, yes. I think and then this one goes here.
And then we use 2 of these. And then we put one of these. Like this.
No.
Yes, we do.
No. I think it's... Yes. I think you're right. Yeah. This will go in here for now. Making a mess here. This is projects. This is how projects work with me. So that's cool. We can figure this out. Okay. So we're gonna make a slight change. What I'm gonna suggest is with those 5.5-inch pieces, we come into a little problem. These little 19-inch pieces are a little too big, right? And these need to go across the top section. And in order for that to work, these are gonna need to be the same size. So when we put it in, they're the same size. Yeah, these are the projects we do, right? This is what we're doing. We'll figure it out. So, what we need is the cut.
And that's good.
And that's perfect for that one. So now we'll do, these should be pretty much the same size, which they are. So now we'll do this one. So we'll take this one apart. Oh, this one does not want to come out.
Did you use super glue?
I don't think I did. Did I? I don't know. Whatever. If I did, that's fine because we can use
more super glue.
more super glue. More super glue. Oh, look at that. It's perfect.
Super glue's on my hair.
How did you get super glue on your hair?
No.
Oh.
Hair.
I was going to say, boy, I don't know how you did that.
What the heck? I got super glue all over my fingers just by holding.
And then I need one. Hold that. Put a little super glue in there. You're getting super glue everywhere.
Mostly on our fingers.
Mostly on our fingers, right? And then we're gonna put that here. See? Inside, like that. And then we take this, and that's pretty. Well, that's a little wobbly, but what we'll do is
Yeah, that's good.
So just for testing, we're not done. So at least so we can see where we're at. Let's lift this up. And this will go like that. And that will go in there. Okay. We have a thumb screw here. And so this is that little piece I was talking about right here. I'll show you. Let me get close. See? This little piece right here. It's got threads on both inside and out. And in order, so I could make a hole. And here's the concept, so you guys can see what we're doing. This piece is gonna go in here, right? And the camera is gonna be mounted here. We're gonna figure that part out still. And then we'll put a little bolt, this thumb screw here, and it'll push up against this and keep it from moving up and down. However, like I mentioned, I can put the screw in, but it might strip over time. Or we put this in, screw it in, and then this will always be there, and it'll be more permanent and it won't ever come out. Right down the middle here.
You shouldn't be doing that on purpose.
You're right.
But are you?
Yeah. Cool, didn't go through.
Nice.
You had a very you were very reasonable. So now, to do this, I wonder if I could just get this threaded all the way in and use this. No, I don't want to strip this. Which, did I just do that? No, I definitely ruined the threading on this bad boy right here. So, easy fix, flip it around, and we'll just go buy another one that'll match this and figure it out. But for now, we're gonna do this one.
Aha, you're being smart.
And if I really wanted to, you can make the holes in here so that when this goes through, it'll just go and put in the hole in here. See what I'm saying?
Why didn't you just do that then?
Because then I have to make. It seems like it's more work. Maybe it's not.
It's probably not, but
It needs a bigger one. That one is too small.
perfect.
See?
Now it fits.
All right. We'll be right back. We're gonna clean up and we're gonna see how this works. Before we go, I forgot to do this part. This little T goes on the little 1/2-inch PVC pipe that this is gonna go through for you to mount your camera and whatever theme. I'm gonna use it for a GoPro mount, but you can obviously figure out you can mount cameras and whatever.
Hopefully it works.
That side, I think it will.
But who knows?
That goes in there. Voila.
It works.
So,
Hopefully.
all right guys. So now you can kind of see what we're doing. So I'm gonna put a GoPro mount right here and face it down. So now, as you can see, we can do things like, and like this, and build and make stuff. And you guys can see it all with a good view. And I don't have to have hold anything, which is awesome. So this is why we built it. Because we're gonna do an unboxing and I need this little thing to make this. So I still have to figure out the angle, the lens, and sorry if the camera's shaking because my son is climbing on the table when he shouldn't be. So I'll probably be using the GoPro Hero 8, which has the image stabilization in it, so we won't have that problem. But now I can do like an unboxing video and do something with this, you know, and make something cool. So that was the whole purpose of this video. At least this way I can make the video I wanted to make, and it's something different, a cool little video, a DIY project. So if you need one of these, if you don't think it's worth spending the money, like I said, I don't do enough of these types of videos that justified me spending all this money to buy one. So why not just make one? And that's what we did.
Subscribe and hit the like button.
Yeah.
Like button.
Yeah, do what he said. Until next time,